At our home in Vallecitos, New Mexico, we were able to insulate around our refrigerator. And in that way, we were able to save a lot of energy. That shows the paneling that covers the isocyanurate, which is kind of an earth-friendly insulation. There you can see a layer on top and on the side there. And because we had solar electricity, we had to be a little bit careful about our usage. And so we were able to cut down quite a bit by getting ourselves some plastic and hanging it in the door of the refrigerator so that when you reached in to get food, the plastic would hold the cold in the fridge for that temporary opening. Worked really well, and it was simply heavy-duty plastic with a curtain rod that I cut so that it overlapped in the refrigerators. You can see, so that when the plastic fell back down, it kept the coolness inside. There's what they call the curtain rod up in the top of the refrigerator to hold the plastic in place. All right, so that's the story of refrigeration conservation in Vallecitos, New Mexico.